Those are the plans of the new JFF president, Mr. Michael Ricketts, getting blown away with the wind. But seriously though, after all this talk about the unveiling of his long-awaited plans, Mr. Ricketts used the appointed occasion for this grand announcement to launch his campaign for re-election 2 years down the road. After being elected a couple weeks ago. Remember now, this speech was promoted as an announcement of his grand plans for the football that people were asking for before the election. And at that big announcement for these football plans, Mr. Ricketts launched his re-election campaign. So all along, that was his plan. Along the way, he did mention without much specificity the whole reduction of the JFF debt, the whole youth development tagline, the whole need for a national football philosophy, the whole same old, cliche, promises. One at a time, Mr. Start wonder if Mr. Ricketts was running in the Southeast St. Mary by-election. And look, we hear the argument that the man just got into office and him just has set up him team and must give him a chance and blah, blah, blah. But you know, you can get a sense of where the football is going by the actions and utterances of the leader. And the problem facing Mr. Ricketts right now is that his plans are already evaporating in the wind. The plans gone, Mr. Ricketts. See the plans gone. The plans gone.